What's going on, guys? It's been a while since I made any videos. I just wanted to show you my latest thing I just got done doing. It's the Canam Ryker here, 600, and I ended up putting a slingmods rack on it. And what I'm doing with that is it's so I can take my wheelchair places with me. I've been wanting to take it places for a while. I've been riding this bike for a couple of years, but I haven't been able to get off of it. So I just go, run my errands, like whatever, and I'm not able to get off of it and be independent. And with this rack, and it mounts just right underneath the seat here to the max mount, I'm able to put my wheelchair right there and lock it in. I'll show you guys that in a second. Love this 600. Been a great bike. The only mod I have on it is the exhaust right now and these pedal foot pegs. Got the silver turbo muffler. If you guys haven't seen that video, be sure to check it out. I'm gonna take this thing out for a ride today, and I'm gonna do a channel update you guys on everything that's been going on. There's been a few changes, and there's gonna be a lot more changes coming up, so be sure to check that video out if you guys are still following me. And yeah, let me throw my chair on there and I'll show you guys how that works. There you guys have it. That's how it mounts. Super easy. I just run one bungee cord from the center bar and clip it on right there, and that's all it takes. And I can actually ride sitting in the seat. The wheels don't bother me. They don't even get in the way at all. Or I get on the bike, I put the chair on right there, I lock it in, then I put the wheels on, and then I put the cushion right on top of this, and I run one more bungee cord from this hole all the way across to back here. It locks in, and that holds my cushion down, and I have plenty of space for my back. I think my next mod that I want to do is I want to get a comfort seat for this. I can't wait because the stock seat's not very comfortable. I haven't found a good deal on a comfort seat yet. I'm not trying to pay 350 bucks for one, so I'm gonna get that. And I believe I'm gonna get a tune for it too. I'm gonna go with the Bill's tune. Alright guys, well, that'll be the end of this video. Well, stay tuned for the next one. I'm gonna go out for a cruise and I'll update you guys on everything that's been going on and what to expect of the channel moving forward. Take care, guys.